gonna dance? If I show you the cowrie,
you see, you don't
are you gonna dance? If I show you my bum bum, you know I can shake my bum bum. Anyone now welcome on top of the night show.
You can shake that in your hand.
This place they hot. They're not on AC. Easy bit go on AC.
A whole you today.
Easy bit go on AC.
You don't see the suit when we.
You don't see the suit while we are. I just buy this suit. I just buy them
from
this
where?
suit from Tanganyika. Don't worry. You know the name.
Tangerine.
I has the money to buy. I has the jacket.
Tangerine. You buy them from Tangerine.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You know, say why? I just say make. I don't know. Say you go wear blue today.
You know, say me and you, they get that telepathic something.
Our love language.
My brother. Oh,
Jesus.
Child.
Jesus.
Child.
Oh God. Anyone, now welcome back on top of the next show. I beg you join us as we welcome Chukwujekwu, the stylist, and Jean Michael. I beg you, the stylist. Why you open your teeth like this? Why you open your teeth like this?
No, now the kind intro where you keep them now.
Why you open your teeth like this?
The intro mad. The intro too mad.
Now you make her this open your teeth.
She dey smile now. She dey blush.
You dey blush.
She dey blush.
Hey!
You could say you know Jalo. So say you Jalo by now. If I don't turn red.
Come. Now who you dey talk true? Now who you dey true for? Now me. I been a easy beat. I been a Katim.
No, yours now, my sister.
Talk true. Kwezo.
Take your time.
Easy beat.
No, wait, make it talk by yourself.
No, make it talk by yourself.
No, my sister.
Who you the true for?
Na Nedu.
No, not fear. Not fear. No, my sister. I saw where you were pointing your finger.
No,
Talk true. Take your time. Think about it. Who you the trip for?
Leave him now. She doesn't stop thinking about it. I dey think am.
Since you sit down here,
Since
you
you sit
quiet,
down.
just they look two of them. This girl, no.
See this idiot.
This yours, they laugh anyhow. They get lost.
Why you laugh? They finger your spirit.
I don't know.
Therefore they blow you breeze for you.
So, you yours, they laugh anyhow.
Anyway, now welcome on top of the night show. For the night show for today, basically, Moko just cut the topic short. What did you talk about, Bise?
Samson say, he quoted and say, in the serious fasting and prayer.
That's become my mind, I tell you. Don't be lying. It's sharp.
And also they take those things serious.
Yes,
So that's right.
yes, exactly. They take it serious.
Yes,
So what the topic we're going to talk today now, say this matter when they say Dubai now, don't talk about 40 years and say you must marry for you to figure out enter there. If you did below 40 years, you must carry your wife come or something like that. Now this guy now won't come go Dubai. He can't carry his sister go and say yeah, his sister don't marry. But when they call it, they can't say them two resemble. They can't say kiss yourself. Kiss yourself well, press every.
No, we know say I don't marry.
So I don't marry. So if you be that guy now, will you kiss your sister to get a visa? If you be the sister, will you kiss your brother? Yeah, you know, you're going to... Yeah, Jesus. Yeah, I can feel some things already.
I mean, I then go get choreograph where you go touch. They go say, no, go to the right.
If not me, I go talk well. If not me be the woman, I go say, go up. Go up. With your two hands, open it like this. Go. You know, say,
Then close your hands.
No. You just say, get some hand where you go open like this wide.
You go full everywhere.
You go full. You no go even reach. You get some, you go do like this. You go full. Everything go there. You get some, you go do like this. The bottom like this. Anyway, make we welcome Chukwujekwu the stylist and beautiful
Black beauty.
Black beauty. I didn't like this girl. Her teeth when she dey smile like this. Jean Michael, now welcome to the next show. Sharp. Tell us because in case you don't know, Chukwujekwu na then get Black Brother Baby, the clothing line Black Brother Baby. Now the first person who I see wear Black Brother Baby na Two-Face.
Don't be lying.
For one video like that, with a vector.
Yes. Black Brother Baby like cult.
Why it be like cult?
Black Brother Baby.
BBB. Black Brother. Black Brother. BBB. You sure it's not be cult?
Black Brother Baby.
They do not be called.
Wait, but what's in the baby called? If I live for Black Brother.
If I live for Black Brother.
Nine be the thing we make get that extra thing. That baby nine finish am.
What make you put baby
there? I don't know.
What make you put baby?
Okay, you know, he gets something. He gets.
No. now.
My sister.
Only
get-
to buy things now. Nobody
You
feels trust
get
anybody.
no be so. You get some things where be say if it go just happen, you know, the whole movement of Black Brother Baby, no be something where I process like I think
Okay.
you know, now like prophecy, it just come.
Pastor Tony Umo. Yeah. The pastor don't tell you.
Don't come.
Jeku.
The name,
The name is
the name is, and it shall be called
Black Brother Baby.
Repeat after me.
Black Brother Baby.
Again.
Black Brother Baby. Jeku, you know that time, Jeku be known whether a cloth or another thing. Jeku can say, is it pure water company? Is it coffin company where they make coffin for the body? What is it? Say, oh, Jeku, I can see it. Apparel, cloth. Touch the garment. So I say,
No be so. No be so.
Prophecy.
No be so. No, I say it be like. It be like so. You know, no be something where I go fit explain
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so the name just come.
No
That's
be
why I
say
do
you
am.
lie down for-
No be say I plan am.
Lie down for house, sleep, dream.
No
Wait,
be
come.
even dream. No be even dream. Basically, no be say I plan am, but the name just come like that, and I feel am.
okay. He touch you.
So you are
touch me.
here in a part of the movement of Black Brother Baby.
Well, my entire being,
Yeah.
everything will concern
Your
me.
spirit, soul, and body.
Everything will concern me.
You are Trinity.
They into that process.
Well, we for shown us some pictures. Only say we'll not get those pictures. People like Two-Face,
Wizkid,
Wizkid,
Fally Pupa.
Fally Pupa.
Them
Call their
plenty-
name.
them
In
plenty
fact,
ice
almost the
prince.
whole artists waiting for Nigeria here.
Yeah.
They wear them.
Diola,
Let me
we don't
say-
begin take calls. Diola from begin. Good
We
evening.
don't even know, say.
We don't know.
How is the Nedu?
Sister, how is you?
Kolo.
this
I think it's so good to see you back.
Oh, my sister, the day full boy, the day full of a very big liar. Thank
Oh,
you. It's a pleasure.
Liar.
I don't
What is
feel
your
this for a
problem
long
with
time.
DJ Easy Beat?
What do you talk?
What is your problem with DJ Easy Beat?
I don't got problem with that.
Now.
He tell you say I got problem with him.
This Easy Beat for me to explain life and death.
Okay, hold on. Diola, you the trip for Easy Beat? Talk true. You the trip for Easy Beat?
Seriously, I know the truth, but just make the guy enjoying.
Okay, now we the trip for. Now me you the trip for. Now me you the trip for.
For where you ready by the law?
You will be bad.
Okay, Diola, for that matter what we been dey talk about, what do you go do if na you? Eh? You get thief phone they call.
They catch her.
She thief phone.
He
They
be like, who they
just catch her. Give me my phone. Anyway, back to you. Hey, Abdul from Zamfara.
Hello.
Good evening. How is you? Yeah,
You get
Keke.
a
Yeah,
face
I'm
voice.
fine. I'm fine.
You're fine. Yeah, yo.
Lafiya kalau.
Yeah, but
lafiya.
yeah, Masu Zamfara. Say na nango.
Suna nan, they are doing fine.
Yeah, doing fine. To yeah, welcome to the show. What?
Yeah.
So this matter what they talk. If now you go kiss your sister, press everything. What did they press?
For common Dubai visa,
Because of the visa.
because I know Haba. I didn't been in UK visa for Dubai. I don't do that kind of thing.
No, it came
No,
up for important meeting.
nah, you don't go for very important meeting. And you know, say Dubai don't change their wakana of Nigerians when they come there. And of course, you never reach 40. You can't kind of sister say, okay, make una form, say una marry. And you guys go for that business meeting. If now you talk true, you go press your sister when they say make you kiss and press her.
I don't keep pressure more.
So you go lose the meeting.
I go lose the meeting, even the money, everything. I don't.
Hey.
Abdul, thank you. Oh,
You are welcome.
God bless you.
You sure? That meeting where go make you.
Wait, let's assume now you did it and you don't. The meeting really dey important to you, and now your sister come tell you say, "Hey brother, just kiss me." See?
You know where
Anyway, where you see me?
You never go back past. Maybe it can't be say your sister not get boyfriend, and person never kiss him in a long while.
They let you know.
person never kiss her sister in a long time. The baby say, brother, The way you used to kiss Sister Jane, kiss me.
Say, don't worry, now yours.
No, brother, don't worry. Brother, yeah. But the brother go to kiss him. Go stop. Brother, kiss me when, huh? Jane from Abuja, good evening. Grace from Abuja, good evening. Grace, go buy credit. Sorry, I beg, call us back. You know, so we not fit connect. Call us back. Oh, you go to kiss brother. Brother go to kiss him. Maybe brother go to do. More could try. More try him. More try him now. Not be say. Okay, Jane, come more try him.
Brother and sister.
More try him now. Come now. Don't fall my hand.
They do make we try am.
Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Hello, who there on the line?
Maybe you want to try this.
Okay. Okay, now you come the kiss brother come the kiss sister. You see? Brother, now what for you? Not because they see you they kiss that sister when they always come for night.
Brother,
kiss me where? What I go say?
They do if now your sister they do this one way they talk. So wait till you go do your sister.
If not my sister,
They ask kiss me where brother.
Kiss me. I know say you
I want to know
what
what you go do. Wait till you go do.
No, you go to me? No, I could leave my past first of all. Just imagine saying me and you, I will lick your face. Anyway, back to you. You be stylist. Okay, so we'll come back to Una. Martin's from Warri.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
I know say Warri guys, I know they carry last, and I must do them.
Yeah.
If not you, what do you go do?
Not me I want to talk to. Na
Jekin.
Kazim.
Ma?
Ngwa. Sorry, you
In fact, I miss Kazim where they miss I want to for Warri. I want to come Warri.
Only me.
You got money? You got
I
money?
get money.
You got money?
I'll give my ATM.
How much there your account?
50 million.
What for? It's not enough. 50 million. Our money not too expensive.
Money play every year.
Okay, you know what you go happen, eh?
No, we go
you send your account number.
279,497,373.
Okay.
373.
Okay. Bye. You want to come and spoil a family? What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. You are coming to put asunder.
It cannot work.
It can work. Make we go back to Chukwujekwu the stylist and Jean Michael. Now 9 day handle black brother baby.
No, na me.
Okay, now
Na
you
me,
but for the
basically.
stylist business.
Yeah, for the style, na my partner.
Oh, why you carry
But
her?
the
Come for-
money, Sha, so are they collect?
You dey collect the
Are they
black
help
brother
and
money.
keep- are
You
they
dey help
help
and keep
keep
money.
am?
Now
Why
your
not
babe.
take meat? I don't talk to this to buy something. These two people.
Now your babe.
He can't say they know they follow do the work together. Now I begin look them
Now
somehow.
your babe. Now your Cheku. You know Cheku, you won't lie to me.
I won't lie. No, I won't lie to
Now your
you.
babe.
No, not be my babe.
Doctor. Hey.
See the way that they look us.
Emmanuel from Osho, good
know, say
evening.
them
This
fit
people never
themselves.
ready to talk true. Leave them. You know what to do. Emmanuel from Osho, good evening. Emmanuel, Lule. Yeah? Hello?
Hello?
Where you go, sis?
Hello, they do.
Hey, sir. Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. How is the ministry?
Ministry is fine, good. Fine, I can see you.
You can see me. No, I can see you too.
Yes.
Yes, give me one.
What you are saying, my contribution is that it is demonic, it is devilish, it is satanic.
It is demonic.
Demonic,
It's devilish.
devilish,
And it's what?
satanic, and devilish.
Satan.
Satanic. For now, the topic they demonic. I've been at Dubai. They demonic. I've been at the house brothers since I did demonic. And I want to understand.
How can a brother kiss a sister?
Now for visa, na mama.
How can a brother
Now for visa purpose, now to move the family
kiss
business
the
forward.
sister?
My brother, you a pastor?
By the grace of God.
Hey, whoa.
By the grace of God, or you be pastor, you don't hope to be.
No, please, that topic should not be discussed openly.
Oh, yeah, me.
Oh.
Here.
Dubai, where do I'm openly?
Dubai.
You are laughing. Dubai, where do I'm openly?
You and Patrick Obama, my brother and sister.
Do some certain things for the family.
My brother, Emmanuel, thank you. Oh, thank you. This kind guy.
It's not that serious now.
This guy. This guy.
When we know you talk about outside.
This guy. These kind of people, we know them.
We know the skeleton inside when
We know them. Anyway, back to you. Okay. Now, the clothing line, it starts before the stylist something. I mean, the stylist starts before the clothing line.
We started doing styling before the clothing line way later.
English we supposed
One wait. How do you take first known ourselves before we enter all these stylists?
Now for hustle, okay, tell them.
How do I take known herself?
That's what they go worry.
What for you? I know one talk. Leave them. Continue.
We met in the business.
Una meet. Now
We
pidgin we dey
now
speak.
we meet.
Where una meet?
Jeku.
For inside Lagos Island.
You say price the same cloth. I be where una yam una safe.
Well, no, we dey also now. We dey find, this thing no start in one day.
Okay.
We actually don't start from to dey sell clothes to one or two people. We dey hawk clothes for inside market.
Okay, una go buy the same cloth. Now they drag the cloth or what?
The story long. We no go fit finish am if we start.
Anyway, back. Beatrice from Abuja, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you?
I'm fine now.
My brother, this topic what they talk about today, if now you wait till you go, do you go kiss your sister, press her for where you supposed to press her or not?
Until Dubai visa.
Until Dubai visa for your business meeting.
I'm not the man, no. I'm a woman.
No vex. No
Sister,
vex.
no vex, it's the devil's work. Because if now you go kiss your brother.
I'm Beatrice Okotie.
Jenny.
If not me, I'm not a job. That visa will go.
The visa go home,
If your brother they beg you, say me you help her.
If your brother kneel down, uncle say, Beaty baby, I will kiss you.
It's abomination.
Abomination. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Beatrice, thank you.
Now abomination. Brother and sister they sleep with themselves. No be the one where we say brother and they. Nigerians get us.
Grace, good evening from Abuja, Biko. Grace.
They say they go forgive themselves. Remember that topic when we talk, say brother and sister.
You
They
remember?
don't say we go forgive ourselves. Now to kiss your brother or your sister, it can't be problem.
Not be so they go wipe. Anyway, back to Una. In fact, okay, we'll come to that part. So give us like, as we take talk, how na to take international na meet for market, which means the stylist, which means you know when Black Brother Baby starts.
Yeah.
Because since now na
She
2
know
weeks,
as it takes start.
we know as everything takes start. Now, what's bring about Black Brother Baby?
You want to tell them now?
About
Okay.
Apart from no mind them. Apart from saying a prophecy, you tell me say they do not the tab before. They hear you.
Black Brother Baby, now something with me I no plan to make commercial. There's something with me
Now
I just
you
dey
dey- you
feel.
just dey make
Yeah, I
am
just
go
dey,
your
yeah, now something where I just they make they feel, you understand? So but it can't people can't they demand like my friends go tell me, I like this your shirt, make
they will
one
just
for me.
obtain them from
yeah,
you.
yeah, all those kind of things. So one day I just say, okay, make I make plenty so I go give plenty people.
Okay.
Now so I give plenty of my friends as they disturb me now. So that one way Two-Face wear. Now so, I don't start to the style and all that. So I was supposed to style him for that video.
Okay.
Somehow my Black Brother Baby t-shirt day for
among
that,
the clothes where you
way
supposed
day there. Way day there. No be say I no plan to.
Yes.
It just day. So but now him I don't try a couple of things.
Make
you
it
know,
weird.
he look am, he say, waiting then right, waiting be there for that t-shirt. I say, now Black Brother Baby. He say, he can't look am. He say, now this shirt I go like. No, okay, waiting happen, say, now Vector.
Yes.
First wear am. He did Vector body. You can't say, no, this one where I like, I like this shirt. Big Vector no to feel am.
You not feel am.
Why
No,
is it
but-
can't be the design for the shirt?
Not just that Black Brother Baby. I know
Sorry.
You not to design the shirt.
Mo take Bookie, good evening.
Good evening.
How you dey?
I'm fine.
How today?
Fine.
Bookie, you go kiss your brother for visa, make your brother forget visa. Then you go get the visa.
No, I don't fit do am o.
And now money business in they go for.
No, I no fit do am.
You not go fake kiss him.
I lie.
I'm gonna thank you very much, Bookie.
Katim,
Ma?
good evening.
Evening.
How is your head now?
It's better.
Yeah,
thank the
thank
Lord.
God. Easy
Thank
beat.
you.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Bookie, what do you want to do for Valentine?
Yeah?
What do you go do for Valentine? You don't marry?
No?
But you has a boyfriend. Call one friend. Call boyfriend.
Yes.
So what do you want to do for all of them for Valentine now? All
All
your
of who?
boyfriend.
I buy all of them gifts. I used to buy my family gifts.
How many them be?
Now just one.
My sisters too.
No, your boyfriend. Bookie, your boyfriend, how many?
No, just one.
Bookie, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Make we enter market today. Come back because easy bit.
Make we go buy the black brother baby.
Black brother.
Maybe we'll go yam ourselves inside that market.
So baby,